Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the appearance or simply change the theme in Zangi. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already installed the application and logged into my account? In case you have not, well, worry not. The process is quite easy and we have covered that in a video. Now let us simply look at how to change the appearance. At the bottom right, you can see the settings icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, from here, there are two ways to change the appearance. Initially, what you guys can do is simply go to the chat, and once you do that, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing right here called as theme. In case you do not find this in the chat section, simply scroll down in the settings section, and at the bottom you can see this thing called as appearance. Click on it right now, and at search the same thing will open up. From here you can switch between the classic and the dark mode. Well, do note that you can also opt out to use the system color. It is up to you. Well, you can change the background as well. As you can see at the top, here is the preview. That is it, guys. That's how we change the appearance in Zangi. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.